Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I wanted to show you guys how I achieved these blonde faux locks right in time for spring. So a few supplies, you're going to want some rubber bands, gel, a rat tooth comb, a crochet needle, the hair that you're using, which I'm using the Boho Passion Twist. So what I'm doing is starting on a blow-dried hair, so I just got out of the shower and I went ahead and blew it dry, and then I'm going to go ahead and start sectioning my hair off. What you guys see me doing here is just oiling my rubber bands to make sure when I take them out it does not cause any breakage. So I'm going to go in, section my hair off on the first row and add the Shine Jam. You can also use Let's Jam as well, that works perfectly fine. So I'm showing you the last row and I'm going to go ahead and finish parting the rest of my hair. Alright, so the hair that I'm going to be using is the Bobbi Boho Passion Twist in the color T4, 27, and 613. I'm just going to go ahead and unravel it because it's already like in a passion twist, whatever. So I just went ahead and unraveled it, and I'm lining up the lighter parts with the darker parts so that they're opposite to each other before I install it into my hair. And I'm just going to go ahead and fluff it out, and I will go ahead and start on the first row. It's not going to be a good shot, but I do want to just show myself doing the actual first braid or the first lock. So I twist my hair up and then I go ahead and crochet the needle through and proceed with doing the butterfly lock. Don't worry, I actually go into detail later on in the video about how I actually achieve the look and my actual process. Alright, so now that I'm done, I am back magically with a full set of butterfly locks done. But I did kind of want to get some practice before I came back on to show you guys. So I'm just going to go ahead and twist these last 3 sections up before I show you the actual process of installing the lock. Okay, so I'm going to take the crochet hook and I'm going to hook it through my hair underneath the rubber band. My fluffed piece that I've pre-fluffed, which I would recommend that you do, I'm going to go ahead and thread that in and then guide it through with the crochet needle. Then I'm going to take one section of that and pull it through so that the other part is through the other section, if you know what I mean. I'm going to kind of measure it out to make sure that the other side is the length of the lock that I actually want to match with the rest, if that makes any sense. So I'm going to go to the root and I'm going to twist around it about 2 times to make sure that that rubber band is covered and that the lock itself is secured. Then from there I'm going to wrap around the rest of my hair shaft to the bottom, and I'll show you guys how I kind of seal the ends in just a second. Alright, so once I get down to the bottom, I'm going to go ahead and wrap that section back on itself that I was originally wrapping with. And then the longer piece that I held stationary, I'm going to go ahead and flip it over and make sure in the direction that you're flipping it over is the same direction you were going when you were wrapping down. So I'm going to flip that up, go ahead and wrap up so that it seals on itself, and then I'll show you guys how I kind of keep it in place. There are 2 different ways and I'll show you 2 different methods. So once I'm literally to like the last centimeter of hair to wrap, I'm going to take some nail glue, doesn't matter what kind, and put a little dot and wrap the rest of the hair. That way it stays in place. So I will show you guys again so that for those of you who didn't get it on the first time can get it the second time. So I'm going to wrap or crochet the needle through, pull the hair through, measure it so it's the length of the locks, wrap the base, and then I'm going to go back down again, just wrapping. Try not to twist because it kind of gets easy to seem like you're twisting, but in this section I tried to do the butterfly locks and I was just like, no, I'm not doing that, whatever. But if you do wrap loosely, and notice it kind of gives the same effect. But try not to twist. Just make sure that you keep the hair as flat as possible so that it achieves the actual locked look instead of it looking like it's a lock twist, which I guess locks are twists, but this is not the look that we're going for. So gonna twist that back up And what I didn't like how that looked. So if you don't, feel free to take it out. It's pretty easy to take out. I did it again, and then when I got to the end, just dot of glue and then wrap the rest. All right, so we are on the last one. So again, take the crochet hook, pull it through, wrap it around the base, or measure it so it's the length of the lock, wrap it around the base, and then you're going to wrap it around the actual hair itself so that it creates the locked effect. And I guess I didn't get footage of this, you guys. I apologize, but I was going to show when I got to the end that you do not have to use nail glue. You can kind of just palm roll it in your hand, which you guys saw me doing in the earlier clip. But you can just kind of palm roll it just to make sure that it stays in place, which it doesn't give me any problems when I do that, but I typically like to reinforce just to make sure that it's not going to unravel just from normal wear and tear or me sleeping with the nail glue. So now that I'm finally finished, it was only like 5 hours, which is surprising, but I'm going to go ahead and get the mousse to apply on my hair and kind of set it in place for the night. I'm using Lotta Body, which is like the cheapest one that I could find. So I'm just going to put that on top of my hair, put it all over, but I don't know what I was doing. I probably was not thinking. And just apply a scarf and go to bed. So now I'm just taking the scarf down from the night before. It is flat to my head, so I'm just fluffing it out right now to give it some more body. I'm kind of analyzing it to see if I really like it. And I've done locks before, but each time I do them, or I guess this is really only the second time, it looks different. So trying to get used to how it looks. And I'm just going to go ahead and lay my edges, which is definitely optional. And then I'm just showing you guys some of these styles that I would do with these butterfly locks. But I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If there are any questions that you guys do have, please feel free to leave them down in the comment section below, and I will do my best to respond or kind of be as graphic as I can to explain my process. Just let me know. But yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoy the styles and get some inspiration. I thought it was perfect for the beginning of spring, so getting ready for that. But I will see you guys in the next video. Let me know if there's another style you guys want me to try. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys soon. Bye.